So in this video, I thought I would give you a little bit of an idea of what the gelatin plate is and how I use it. So the jelly plate is a sticky, flexible, gelatin-like surface that I can put paint on in order to make a monoprint. So this one is fairly well used. You can tell by all the paint, dried paint on the edges, but that doesn't actually hurt anything, so I'm gonna leave that there. I have mine mounted on a piece of plexiglass just to give it a little bit of stability. But here's how we use it. So I put it down, I put a little bit of paint on it, just like that. And then I use a brayer, which is essentially a wheel on a handle, to spread the paint around to give it a nice even coat. Just like that. And then I can use my personal stencils that I have made myself. So this is one, and I can use some different things to make some marks, like Q-tips, that sort of thing. I can also use different kinds of things to make textures, like this is a dish drying rack from the dollar store. So just push that in. And then when I have an image I like, I can take a piece of paper, put it right on top, burnish it with my hands, just like so. Pull it off to get a print. So that's pretty much the basics of it. So then after that I have, some more paint on the plate, so I can use, I could use a different color in order to pick that up. So there's some green. I'm gonna use a different brayer because my other one is dirty. And same thing, nice even coat. Just like that. And then a piece of paper. So then I can use them as they are, or I can cut them up and use them in collage, whatever I think I need for the artwork that I want to make. So that's the basics of gel printing.